Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mute the invoice warning function in the Barion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the other button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And in order to mute invoice warning, click on the white circle next to it. And by this, at the end of your parking, you will not be notified about the invoice request. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.